Wait till you see what's in here. So what we love about these bags is they're super easy. I'm just gonna show you. They're a little magnetic closure. So it's easy just to pop the items in you want, close it up, and then you're gonna gift it just like this. Super easy. Now, this bag, the small EverGift, I'm gonna pull out what's in here. You're gonna just be amazed. So, you know, something small that you're gonna wanna give to somebody. This is a very easy gift to just give away. Don't be afraid that you have to keep this bag in your collection. We do have the kit that comes with a plethora of sizes and bags, and they do all coordinate their curated collection. You can always add more to your cart if you're a member, and that allows you to feel comfortable that you're not giving away something that's in your curated collection, but you can still give away the similar item. You just ordered additional pieces. So keep that in mind when you are subscribing, to look at those other items that you might want to add into your cart. So in this bag, this is something I would give to my daughter. She's super girly, but we've got some hair ties, some other cute barrettes. I mean, these are fairly large sizes, and you know, a cute little clutch and a set of books. So I mean, this is a good size bag to hold. And honestly, it could have held a lot more. So when you're done with it, that is it. That is all you're gonna do. Just like the Ever bag, it's gonna go in your drawer, or guess what? You've given it to somebody, they're gonna be super excited. They're actually gonna want to keep this and reuse it. Unlike, I know I've gotten gifts in, you know, single-use bags, and by the time I've gotten it, maybe it's been carried around for a couple of weeks or a month, or it's sat under a tree and then it finally made it to me. It's been banged up. I'm not gonna re-gift that to anyone. It's going to land in the trash. You're gonna feel good that if you give this to someone, this is gonna go into their stockpile, and chances are they're gonna be giving this on to somebody else. And this is our medium size. I did attach one of our trimmings. This bow here is actually from our cozy collection. This ornament here is actually from our cabin collection. So you can see how we've designed these and coordinated these and curated these collections that you can build on them year after year. So I'm gonna pop this guy off. Now in this bag, again, this is a 13 by 10.5 by 6 1/4. I mean, look at all that. There's so much in there. Again, I have a 12-year-old, so I'm always buying lots of girly things, but you know, you can get a small pair of shoes in here. You can get a complete outfit for a child. You can get a nice sweater for an adult. We've got a nice planner. That's not really good. We've got some beautiful pens. I mean, that's a big container of pens. We've got this. We've got a full-size reed diffuser. It's quite large. And you might have seen these in our Ever bag video, but some beautiful chocolates. So again, lots of items fit in here. And then I'm going to just fold it down. It just folds up just like a bag. Fold it down, and then in my drawer it's going to go. That's easy. Now I'm gonna reverse this. How easy is it going to just pack all this stuff up? I'm running late. I've got a preteen birthday party I've got to take my daughter to. I don't want to wrap it. She needs to wrap it. It's her friend's birthday. She can easily go grab this. And in it goes. I can honestly get a ton of other things in here as well. So, you know, and then you're just gonna seal it up and just like that. There you go, happy birthday, super cute. This is Christmas paper, but we're pretending. The next one I'm going to show you is going to be the EverGift bag in large. Again, this is, part of our cabin collection, and it also has the loop on it as well, so you can zhuzh up any gift. All of our bags and our boxes does have the loop, so you have the opportunity to mix and match any of your trimmings with them. And so this guy, this is not a realistic gift, but I just wanted to put as many items in here as possible to show you. I've got a laptop, a keyboard for an iPad. I mean, these are thick boxes. An iPhone. I mean, that's a lot that just came out of this bag. You can get a full-size pair of shoes, a man size 10.5, 11 in this bag. You can get a couple of outfits in this bag. And then again, it's just gonna fold down and it's just gonna store in your drawer, just like that. So easy. The amount of time that you would spend wrapping presents versus just putting your items in here, unbelievable. And guess what? It's reusable. That wrapping paper is not going to end up in the landfill, and we're feeling pretty good about that. So if you love the idea of reusing your bags and not having them look reused, you're going to love our bags.